This is Daily Trivia. 10 questions. Let's begin. Which cinematographer, known for his work on films like Blade Runner 2049 and Skyfall, has won multiple Academy Awards for Best Cinematography? Precisely, Roger Deakins. Which silent film, featuring Charlie Chaplin, famously depicts the protagonist caught in the gears of a giant machine? Precisely, Modern Times. Debuting in 1978, which film festival is known for showcasing independent films and launching the careers of many prominent directors, including Quentin Tarantino and Steven Soderbergh? Correct, Sundance Film Festival. Which film adaptation of a Stephen King novel, released in 1994, consistently ranks among the highest-rated movies of all time, despite being a box office disappointment initially? Precisely, The Shawshank Redemption. In Back to the Future, 1985. What speed does the DeLorean need to reach to initiate time travel? Correct, 88 mph. In the 1991 thriller, The Silence of the Lambs, what is Dr. Hannibal Lecter's preferred method of consuming human organs? Correct, with fava beans and a nice Chianti. In the 1987 film Moonstruck, what opera are Loretta Castorini, Cher, and Johnny Camilleri, Nicolas Cage, going to see at the Lincoln Center? Correct, La Boheme. Before directing iconic thrillers like Psycho and The Birds, Alfred Hitchcock made his directorial debut with a silent film set in which country? That's right, Germany. In which film does Travis Bickle, a Vietnam War veteran, descend into mental instability while working as a New York City taxi driver? That's right, Taxi Driver. Which actor, known for his roles in westerns, directed and starred in the 1990 film Dances with Wolves? That's right, Kevin Costner. If you scored 8 or higher, you're sharp. Come back tomorrow.